Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome to ATV Farms episode 94. Today, it's not going to be a work video because today, we've got something new. So, I'll just show you guys. So what I went and did, I got 3 new hats that we're going to add to our hat lineup for videos. So here we go. I'll show you guys what they look like, and then I'll put one on and show you what it looks like. So first up, we've got a John Deere Jackson Lee Pearson Inc. Flora Frankfurt. That's one of the new John Deere hats that I've got. And then we've got our usual International Harvester hat, the red IH hat, and then we've got another John Deere hat just with the John Deere logo and the name John Deere. So now I'm gonna set the camera down and show you guys, oh, I gotta flip it back, and show you guys what they look like on my head. So first up is this John Deere version. So, what do you guys think? Comment down below which hat you guys like best. So we've got the Flora Frankfurt John Deere version or variant. And then we've got our International Harvester variant. And then lastly, we've got just this John Deere variant. Don't know why I'm backing so far away from the camera. So there's the 3 hat variants that we will be running in future videos. I will see you guys in ATV Farms episode 95, which will be loading my show steer for beef weigh-in tonight. So let's get it.